Module Overview. Introduction to Strategic Leadership. Strategic leadership is the ability to influence and guide an organization towards achieving its long-term vision and goals by making strategic decisions, fostering innovation, and inspiring commitment across all levels. It transcends traditional management by focusing on positioning the organization for future success, navigating complexities, and anticipating change. A strategic leader blends visionary thinking with practical execution, balancing short-term demands with long-term aspirations. This leadership style emphasizes adaptability, learning, and ethical stewardship, which are critical in today's dynamic business environment. Key characteristics of strategic leaders: visionary thinking, crafting and communicating a compelling vision that inspires and directs the organization. Decisiveness, making timely and effective decisions even under uncertainty. Emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing one's emotions and those of others to foster collaboration. Adaptability, embracing change and driving continuous improvement. Ethical orientation, upholding integrity, transparency, and corporate social responsibility. Systems thinking, seeing the organization as an interconnected whole and understanding the impact of decisions across functions. The role of strategic leadership in organizational success. Strategic leaders play multiple roles, including setting direction by defining mission, vision, and strategic objectives, aligning resources and capabilities with strategic priorities, cultivating an organizational culture that supports innovation and resilience, building and maintaining stakeholder relationships, leading change initiatives and overcoming resistance, developing future leaders through mentoring and empowerment. Change management. Concepts and importance. Change management is the structured approach to transitioning individuals, teams, and organizations from a current state to a desired future state. Effective change management minimizes disruption, reduces resistance, and ensures successful implementation of new strategies, technologies, or processes. In a world characterized by rapid technological advancement, globalization, and shifting market dynamics, the capacity to manage change is a vital competency for leaders. Types of organizational change. Strategic change. Shifts in overall direction, market positioning, or business models. Structural change. Modifications to organizational hierarchy, roles, or workflows. Process change. Improvements or re-engineering of operational procedures. Cultural change. Transformation of organizational values, norms, and behaviors. Technological change. Adoption of new technologies or digital tools. Models of change management. Lewin's change model. Consists of 3 stages: unfreeze, preparing the organization for change, implementing the transition, and refreeze, solidifying the new state. Coder's 8-step change model. A detailed approach that includes creating urgency, forming powerful coalitions, developing vision, communicating change, empowering employees, generating short-term wins, consolidating gains, and anchoring new approaches. Adkar model focuses on awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement to drive individual change. Challenges in change management. Resistance to change. Fear, uncertainty, and loss of control can lead to opposition. Communication breakdown. Inadequate or unclear messaging can fuel rumors and mistrust. Lack of leadership commitment. Insufficient support from top management undermines initiatives. Resource constraints. Limited time, finances, or skills can hamper implementation. Cultural barriers. Deep-rooted norms and values may conflict with proposed changes. Strategies for effective change leadership. Engaging stakeholders early and often to build buy-in. Communicating transparently and consistently about the need for change and its benefits. Providing training and support to develop new skills. Recognizing and rewarding change champions. Monitoring progress and adapting plans as needed. Embedding change into organizational systems and culture. Linking strategic leadership and change management. Strategic leadership provides the vision and direction that underpin successful change initiatives. Leaders must simultaneously manage the technical and human sides of change, fostering a culture of agility and continuous learning. Organizations led by strong strategic leaders who are adept at change management are better positioned to seize opportunities, mitigate risks, and sustain competitive advantage. Summary. This module offers an extensive exploration of strategic leadership and change management, emphasizing the intertwined nature of leadership vision and effective change execution. Mastery of these concepts empowers leaders to navigate complexity, inspire innovation, and achieve lasting organizational transformation.